Hi guys, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video we will unbox the new NARS beauty box made in collaboration with the brand NARS. It's called NARS The Icons box and is retailed for £40 but worth over £96. Inside we will find 5 NARS legendary products. In the past I tried a couple of products from NARS and I like them. I am happy to try new products from this brand. Okay, beautiful people, let's open the box and discover the Icons products that hides inside. And first I took out the NARS Blush. This blusher is so well known, especially on the YouTube. In the past everybody talked about it, how gorgeous, how beautiful and how amazing it is. When first time I saw it, I looked at it, and because I saw it so many times, I said no, I don't want it. Now I see it again and yes, it's adorable. The shade is really nice. It's a beautiful peachy coral shade. Definitely will look beautiful on the skin. I'm sure that will look adorable. Next product that we find is the NARS Climax mascara, and this mascara is well known, doesn't need a lot of presentation. It's a volume mascara that won't clump or smudge. The brush is big and fat. It looks great. Here we have a NARS Afterglow Lip Balm. You will not believe me, but this is the product that made me to buy the beauty box. Guys, I adore lip balms, and this guy here has a great description that is super hydrating, that is infused with a blend of antioxidant to nourish and protect the lips. Here I have a shade, you will never guess it. Or gasp, yeah, the name is Unpredictable. Is a beautiful tinted lip balm. Okay, beautiful people, let's see what else we have inside. And here I have a NARS Smudgeproof eyeshadow base. This is an eyeshadow primer that it has a lightweight formula and that will make your eye makeup last longer. And this product sounds great for me. I'm curious to test it to see how it works and if it works. You know that sometimes the description of a product may be wow, but in real life that product doesn't do nothing special. I'm not saying that this is the case. I will try it to see how it performs. And the last product that we find is a lip pencil, Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in the shade Do Me Baby. The shade is nice. I already tried these lip pencils from the NARS in the past and they are lovely. The formula is creamy, the colors is opaque, doesn't dry the lips, it wears great. I like them a lot. Well guys, this was the 5 Icons product that we found in the NARS The Icons box. To be honest, I like the content of this box. Inside we found 3 full-size products, the blush, the lip balm and the eyeshadow primer, 1 travel size product, the mascara, and 1 mini deluxe size product, the lip liner. For me, it's a great beauty box. I like it a lot. And this was today's video. I hope you like it. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!